We are so excited that you are here with us on the Introduction to the People Lab Starter Kit course. We partner with organizations to move their team members to becoming teammates. And we do that by focusing on 4 key topics: communication and culture, execution and teamwork, leadership and supervision, and personal development and growth. All 4 of those you're going to find sections on in this course. So it's what we do in the public all the time, and it's also what we're doing with you here inside this course. When we go up to the top left, that's zone 3 communication, and that's where it's specific, but it's unexpressed. It's implied communication. And implied communication is simply when I had the conversation with you, you just didn't happen to be present for it. I said everything I wanted to say, you just weren't here. Now, again, this works in the conference room. It also works at home in the living room. Like if you've been married at all, you have lived in you maybe don't live there all the time, but you for sure pass through a time or two. Implied communication in leadership is something that is such a big deal for us because we're all so busy. We've all got places to go, we've all got stuff to do, and we all want people to read our mind. The trouble with that is people don't read minds. That's not what we do. And so the result of implied communication is great frustration. So for this next session, it's all about execution and teamwork. And execution and teamwork, there's a reason why it follows communication, because no one is going to execute on a plan that they don't know about. So the first thing we've got to do as leaders to help set the stage for execution is we've got to be clear and be consistent. Be clear and be consistent. We've got to be consistent with our clarity. And when someone gives you this look like, I'm not sure what you're saying, don't just keep going. Stop and say, okay, it looks like you don't understand. One of the things we've got to have in teamwork is we've got to have a trust. Organizations move at the speed of trust. Number 4, this is all about personal development and growth. And there are a lot of different things that we can do, a lot of things we blame on other people, a lot of things that we really get sidetracked by. And so I want us to laser focus here for a few minutes and really just focus on what we can control. That's really what you're talking about with personal development and growth. And the good news is the gatekeeper's gone. Like you can grow any way you want. You want to grow with podcasts. You want to grow by reading books. You want to grow by someone reading a book to you, Audible, it still counts. Like there are all these different ways that you can grow, but you have to choose to do it. You have to take the initiative to do it.